Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to TP-Link HomeShield, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a computer or smartphone. Type in the TP-Link HomeShield website address in the search bar. Press the enter key to load the page. Once the website loads, locate the sign up or create account button. Click on the button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the provided field. After completing the information, look for a register or sign up button. Click the button to submit your registration. Check your email inbox for a verification email from TP-Link. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. This will direct you to the TP-Link HomeShield dashboard. Log in using your newly created email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the subscription options available. Review the different subscription plans they offer. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. You may need to provide payment information if required. Enter your payment details in the provided fields. Double-check the information for accuracy. Proceed by clicking the Confirm or Pay Now button. After the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. Explore the features available to you in the dashboard. Enjoy the enhanced security and performance of your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.